S37 engine. This 375 RPM, 500 horsepower Allison V S37 oil engine installed at Welch's Dam pumping station in 1948 for fen drainage. The sound of the engine is very amazing. Flathead Dragster engine. RIP for those who are watching with earphones or headphones. It sounds like a bee's humming. Big Block Chevy engine. Hear the sound of an engine. The sound is like a deep, throaty growl that echoes through the chambers of your heart. The Big Bud 747. The Big Bud 747 or 16V 747 Big Bud is a large, custom-made farm tractor built in 1977 in Harvey, Montana. The Big Bud V16 747 tractor produces 1,100 horsepower using 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine. It has a fuel tank, and its fuel tank capacity is 1,000 gallons. Radial engine. This engine sound reminds you that anything is possible and that you are unstoppable. The engine sound gives you goosebumps because it represents everything that you are passionate about in life. Rolls-Royce Merlin. Is a British liquid-cooled V12 piston aero engine of 27 liters or 1,650 cubic inch capacity. The Rolls-Royce company designed the engine and first ran it on a private venture, originally called the PV12. SD40 locomotive engine. The Electromotive Division SD40 is a type of 6-axle, 16-cylinder, 3,000 horsepower locomotive that was first introduced in 1964. This engine sounds like something is wrong. It's a loud, high-pitched sound that seems to be coming from the engine itself. 8,000 HP engine. The engine sound is like a deep, low rumble that resonates through your entire body. It's the sound of power and strength, and it's also the sound of something that's working hard. Detroit Diesel Series 71. The Detroit Diesel Series 71 is a two-stroke diesel engine that comes both inline and V configuration by Detroit Diesel. The sound is like the rumble of thunderstorm, deep and powerful. The Allison V 1710 designed and manufactured by the Allison Engine Company, is the only U.S.-developed V12 liquid-cooled engine to see service during World War II. The Allison V 1710 is a type of aircraft engine that has a 28-liter capacity. It was originally designed as an upgrade to the 1,000 horsepower engines typically used on bombers and fighter planes back in the 30s. Packard-Bentley engine. This Packard-Bentley Mavis is as big as a bus and more powerful than a Bugatti Veyron. This car is 21 feet long and weighs 2.4 tons. It was designed to sound like a dragon, spit flames, and give off hot air. This supercharged Packard 4M 2500 engine came from an American World War II era PT boat, which is powered by a 42-liter V12 developing 1,500 bhp and 2,000 pound-feet of torque. The car has 24 exhaust pipes, courtesy of a dual exhaust port design.
The BMW Brutus. Brutus is a 1908 American LaFrance fire engine that has been retrofitted with a massive 1925 46.9 liters V12 BMW aircraft engine. The engines sound like a smooth and melodious purr, almost like a cat's contented purr. It's so relaxing and calming, like a lullaby to soothe the broken-hearted and weary. It's definitely one of my favorite sounds in the world.
Cummins K2000E V16 engine. The engines sound like a truck driving on a road. Paxman Engine. It's V12 diesel engine that can produce 450 to 1,000 bhp, and fuel capacity is 60 liters. The engines sound like a lion roaring. It's so loud that it scares all the animals away. When I first heard it, I thought something was wrong with the engine, but then I realized that it's just the way it sounds. It's really cool. Westinghouse J34. The Westinghouse J34, company designation Westinghouse 24C, was a military-grade turbojet engine. The J34 produced 3,000 pounds of thrust. Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. It sounds like the engine is roaring. It's a very impressive sound.